Hello, I am Leslie at Earthworks. I'm one of the landscape designers and sales team at Earthworks, and this was a fun project for me. We're in Empire Point at a nice mid-century home, which is one of my favorite types of architecture for landscape design. I love that mid-century and give it a modern twist. These are new homeowners. The home was needed some big renovation inside and out. So what we started with was new septic tank in the front yard. They had already had that installed, but it just left the front yard with zero grass. There were old pavers or bricks up front here that the old homeowner had installed himself, so there was some water issues that we had to address. So, and then it's just such a friendly, cozy neighborhood. They like to sit out here. Neighbors are friendly and engaged, so they wanted a nice usable sitting spot. So we pulled out all of the old pavers. We had to do some grading. The drainage was kind of running toward the house. We still have a little bit of a pitch just from where the septic is. But we kind of got that running the other way, opened up this space, and I kept the really linear design of a mid-century home and gave them lots of extra space to sit and enjoy the space outside. All right, we're in the backyard of our Empire Point project. This area back here was wildly overgrown. There was a huge philodendron back here, a lot of shrubs, just overgrowth that came pretty much all the way out to where this seat wall is now. So they really wanted some usable space and just open up. They've got pocketing slider doors. So now they're able to step out. They have a safe step. We've got blade lighting underneath and then a really nice patio space, and then just gave them a cozy seat wall and a fire pit area. They added a solo stove. A lot of this over here was overgrown, so we added some Blue Point juniper over there, a lot of clean out. So ultimately, after we did all the tear out, cleaned out the space, I'm really happy and they're really happy with the way this project turned out. It's cozy back here, it's secluded, it's private, and it's an actual functioning space where they have a nice view. The doors aren't blocked by just overgrowth, so it's a great cozy spot, and we're pleased with the results. Plant selection for these folks, we wanted, again, just low maintenance. Nothing's going to be maintenance free, but we wanted low maintenance. We kept the existing planter beds up there. They love birds and pollinators. We put a loquat tree in the front, so that'll attract those migrating cedar waxwings, which we all love. Juniper, mondo grass, some Leland cypress on the end, some hibiscus and grasses. I really wanted to give them some evergreens for year-round color. And then just added some modest landscaping across the front with some lighting. So if you're not aware, we don't do just landscape and design, we also do lighting. We address drainage, irrigation. We're pretty much one-stop shopping. And this was one of those jobs, as well as the pavers. So this is one of those jobs where we could kind of incorporate everything that we do for these folks. But I really do love the way that this project turned out. So come and see us at 12501 Beach Boulevard. We've got an amazing garden center if you haven't been there. Amazing staff to help you with all of your questions and needs.